Hey, almost didn't see you guys there. Well, in this episode of Cooking with Tony, I'm not only going to teach you how to make killer pancakes, I'm going to teach you how to do a killer pancake. Volleyball. We're doing volleyball. Come on, let's go. Almost forgot my volleyball. Now that I got it, let's teach you some lessons. Alright, now you guys at home need to go grab your volleyball so we can practice together, okay? So I'm gonna teach you first the pancake method. As you saw inside, I hinted to that. If you didn't catch it, it's a pancake. This is actually a volleyball. Hey you! What? What was that? Yeah, you. Me? Not a volleyball. This is not a volleyball? Oh, then throw me a volleyball. Want one? I got you. This? Alright. This looks more like volleyball. I guess it's a ball. This works, but it's a little flat. Is that Tom Brady? Is that you? Take this back. I don't want it. I think I need some help. Need some help from my brother Vince. Hey Vince, you throw me a ball? Oh. Thanks, bro. Appreciate that. All right. So now that we have our volleyball, makeshift soccer ball, I'll teach you how to pancake. All right. So first, the pancake, it's when you're really close to the ground and you don't have enough time to get your whole body under it. So you stick your hand down, let it hit the top of your hand like a pancake. Here, let me show you up close. Here guys. So if we're looking at this method, the ball's coming down and you want to track it with your hand. So then the ball bounces up over top, you know? So it goes, boom, okay? Up and over top. So one way to think about it is if your hand was a literal pancake and you were just trying to stick your hand as flat as possible, as straight as possible underneath the ball. Faster ball comes in, faster ball comes out. You're just preventing it from hitting the floor. Proper method, stick your hand flat underneath, track it down. You know, don't just stick it under there and wait. Follow it down so you hit the exact center every time. You're sticking a pancake under the ball. And that's why it's called the pancake method. Now, what else do you guys want to learn? Cooking or volleyball? All right, so now that you've learned the pancake method, let's get that out of here. We don't need this. I'm not gonna eat it, don't worry. Flew like a Frisbee. Good thing I have my volleyball. Hey, Tony. What? Not a volleyball. Still not a volleyball? Man, I'm always getting confused. Got one here if you want it. Oh, you've got one? Ah, cool. Go long. Ben Roethlisberger, was that you with that throw? Man, always knew I liked you. Feel better. One and only, Big Ben, number 7. Stay safe out there, Tony. This year's ours. Wait, it's still deflated. Nah, it's okay. But I know better. This ain't a volleyball. Let's go back to that makeshift soccer ball we used before. Hey Vince, little help? There we go. Good as new. You know this is a pretty old soccer ball. Anyway, let's teach you how to pass, all right? So if you want, pass coming in. Let's say your pancake was successful and you're throwing it to your teammate's gonna pass to someone else, or you're returning a serve. What you're gonna do is called a bump or pass. Get under it, wrist straight, fist and fist, don't interlock, hand over, straight, and bump. All you want to do is bump. Forward, flat. Most flat as possible. Turn in your elbows. You put your meat of your thumbs together. The ball comes in. You hit it in the center. So that's generally arm position. I'll go in a little bit more detail. Fists out like this. Hands. Fist, curl around. This is bad, good. Bad, good. Thumbs over top. Some people cross, that's bad, because you want them to just lay next to each other so your arms are then even. You get a flat surface. Pass the ball to your teammate. So let's get down into the full formation. So the ball's coming in. You want to get down, go like this. The ball's coming in, you get down lower, you know, kind of roll your shoulders forward, get into it so that you can power through. And it's not a swing, you're not swinging at it. Use your hips and your legs to drive a flat surface in a straight direction to the ball. You want to pass it over there, all in your legs, you know? Kind of some movements like that. So you want to get down underneath of where the ball coming in. You don't want to hit sideways, hit up. Roll your shoulders, come down, get ready, bump it. So Vince, how about you give us another throw? Like that. I want to keep it going. Okay? Let's try it again. Do it with me at home. Don't want to wreck Mom's flowers. Mom would be very mad about that, right, Vince? All right, you're upstairs studying, so I'll leave you alone. But I hope you enjoyed those 2 volleyball skills that I picked up, and maybe one day you become an expert like me. So, take care, guys, and enjoy your pancakes. I want one if you got one. Ready to learn some rules. Not rules. Hey kid. What the heck was I saying?